Add a high-protein drink to your diet for better health. There's nothing worse than not having enough energy to do the things you love to do, and even the things you may not love so much, but have to do anyway. One of the reasons we lack energy is because we're just not eating right, something quite a few of us are guilty of. When we don't eat right, our bodies lack the nutrients they need to function properly, and when this happens, we lose energy. One of the nutrients that plays a vital role in how much energy we have is protein, and if you are not getting enough high-protein foods in your diet, you may not have nearly as much energy as you could have, and you probably won't be nearly as healthy as you could be either. You can get protein from many food sources, or you can also enjoy a high-protein drink. Why we need protein in our diets. It is important to include certain nutrients in our diets in order to be healthy, and protein is one of them. Actually, protein is one of 3 macronutrients we need in order to survive, the other 2 being healthy carbohydrates and fats. There's no part of our bodies that doesn't rely on protein to function properly, from our organs and cells to bones, hair, teeth, nails, eyes, muscles, and other soft tissues. Protein is made up of amino acids that the body is unable to produce on its own, which is why it is so important that we get it from the foods we eat. If we don't have protein, there's no way we can lead healthy, productive lives. We also need protein to help fight infection, bacteria, and other toxins that enter the body. Without enough protein, we are more susceptible to colds, flu, and other ailments, and if we need to have surgery, we will not heal as quickly as we would if we consumed sufficient protein. You can usually get all the protein you need from dietary sources, but if you're finding it difficult, you might consider a high-protein drink or other supplement. How to get the protein you need in your diet. There are all kinds of great-tasting food sources loaded with protein that are great for all types of diets. Animal-based foods such as lean red meats, poultry, white meat, and fish such as salmon and tuna are protein-packed. You can also get plenty of protein from dairy products, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt. In fact, many high-protein drinks are made from whey and casein, which are byproducts of the cheese-making process. Just make sure that you are using low or non-fat dairy products, especially if you are trying to lose weight. With the exception of soy, there are no plant-based proteins that are considered complete, meaning that they contain all the essential and non-essential amino acids our bodies need. But even if you are a vegetarian, you can still get all the protein you need by combining foods. This way, you also get a diet that is a lot more varied and interesting. Some of the best sources of plant-based proteins include beans of any kind, potatoes, broccoli, oranges, grapefruit, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and rice. Supplement your diet with high-protein drinks. No matter how hard you try, there are still going to be times when you just can't get enough of the proper nutrients from your diet. There are times when you have to skip a meal or when it's just a whole lot easier to grab something quick on the way home from work or school. When this happens, you may need to add supplements to your diet. Protein supplements are a very popular choice, and there are many varieties to choose from, including high-protein drinks. There are also all kinds of tasty drinks available, so you will be sure to find something that you really like. Some high-protein drinks are also terrific for low-calorie diets and can help with the weight loss process. If you are looking for high-protein drinks that are good for diets and also small enough to put in a briefcase, backpack, or purse to take along with you, you would probably benefit from liquid protein shots. These are small drinks that are not overly filling, and not loaded with calories and fat, while providing as much protein as an entire meal. When you use liquid protein shots, you will also be getting the benefits of many vitamins, minerals, and nutrients other than protein, so they are very healthy additions to any type of diet, even for weight loss. Protica has a couple of liquid protein shots that are excellent for weight loss and make great high-protein drinks. Both ProfectR and ProasisR contain 25 grams of protein in every serving, but are less than 125 calories. And they are also loaded with vitamins and minerals, and are low in fat, carbohydrates, and cholesterol. For more information about these high-protein drinks, or any of the protein supplements available from Protica, visit www.protica.com.